Honestly, I'm not even in the mood for Eid. Like, literally, call me a bakra and fucking kill me now. Hey guys, it's Iman. Welcome back to my channel. And today is a special day. It is Eid, so Eid Mubarak to those of you that celebrate it. Wait, to be honest, I'm not really in the mood to celebrate Eid. Like, okay, for two reasons. So basically tomorrow I'm getting my CAIE result, and like I don't want to go to people's houses and sit there and talk to their kids and eat savaya when I just want to be like in my room freaking crying and freaking out. But no, we don't do that in Desi households. You have to meet people. Then the second reason is because it was like raining yesterday, and like to be honest, I don't really like the rain. I just feel like it ruins my mood. Like it puts me in a bad mood, and like that mood from yesterday has like carried on to today. So yeah, I really don't feel like it. But so anyway, Eid Mubarak Obama. Okay, so to start off with, I just like put my hair in a ponytail. Why did you like my earrings? I never wear like dangly earrings, but I thought they were so cute. Start off with some concealer. This is NARS, and basically I don't actually own foundation because my mom doesn't let me wear makeup. Like my mom didn't even buy me this. I had to tell my aunt to get me it. I don't know, I guess my mom thinks I'm too young for makeup. Which I mean I get, but I mean I'm 16, you know? And like if I didn't have any acne then like fine. But like I've got so many pimples, so she should like kind of be nice and like let me wear makeup. But I think she should let me now, like if I ask her. Anyway, I used to like buy things. Oh my god, yeah, so okay. When I used to live in Dubai, I used to go like out with my friend and like buy makeup. We go to Sephora or like Boots or something, and then whenever my friend would leave, I would always return it because I'd feel so bad. Like this one time we went to Sephora and like we both got like makeovers done. Then like for some reason I was so scared to like show my mom because like I always thought that like she didn't want me wearing makeup and stuff, and she was like, oh my god, you look so pretty and things like that when I came home. And I was like, yeah, I was like the 100th customer, so they gave me a free makeover, which wasn't true. I paid like 50 dirhams, but she didn't have to know that. I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. So I've got this Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I really like it. It is pretty natural. I'm pretty bad at using it. I just kind of draw it on. I mean, I guess that's what you're supposed to do, but some beauty gurus are really good and they can like make the eyebrows fluffy or something. I don't know how you do that. I think they use soap. Like I don't even know what I'm saying. See, when I'm nervous, like I'm nervous for tomorrow, this is how I am. Like I'm just like completely rambling, like whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows, then I'm gonna use the other side. Just go like this. Basically, I like doing natural eyebrows. I don't really like the Instagram brow trend. I prefer an oak natural look. Okay, so after that, I'm just gonna like start on my lips. So I'm gonna start off with a lip scrub. This is the one from Lush. Okay, basically, I got this, I think, in year 8 for my like 13th or 14th birthday, and I never used it. I just started using it now. It's probably expired, but like whatever. Like look at the packaging. It's like all coming off. It's bubblegum. It smells so good. Like I didn't used to use it. Like when I was younger, when I bought it, I used to just eat it. That sounds weird, but whatever. Yeah, so basically since my nails are like long, I can't just like go like that. What I do is I kind of pick it up with my nail like that, and then I like pick it like this and then do it, and I just scrub it. I could do this for like 10 minutes because like it feels so nice. Can you see? They're so pink and like big. That's what a good lip scrub is. Yeah, I lick it off. People say it's bad because you're like licking off like your dad's skin, but I bet your dad's skin doesn't taste this freaking good. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with like a lip liner. It's the Charlotte Tilbury in Lip Cheat, and I've never done this before, but I'm gonna try like overlining. So I saw a video and she like went like this, so I'm gonna do that. Sorry if I look ugly, bitch. Yeah. Did that work? I don't know. I got really tiny lips. Like it's not my dad. Like my dad gave me like all the bad genes. I got his tiny eyes, I got his teeny tiny lips, I got his square teeth. Like come on, man. At least I didn't get his like weight. Like I'm very skinny, thankfully, and he's a bit large. I probably jinxed it. I put Nazar. I'm gonna get really fat now. To be honest, there's nothing wrong with being fat. That came out like so mean. Like if I like haters or something, they're gonna like make this tea videos about me. But like whatever. Actually, I kind of want that because then that'd give me like publicity, and then like I could actually get views on my videos that like aren't my 5 friends. Anyway, and then I'm gonna use this Silky Girl Matte Junkie. Silky Girl Matte Junkie. It's pretty much dead. Like, is any color even coming? I go like that and then I write it in. Then I just do the same thing on top. Oops. Oh, fucking hell. How do you mess this up? Yeah, so that's basically what I do. Should I put some lip gloss? I never wear lip gloss. I don't really like lip gloss when it's like really like sticky and obvious. I prefer natural kind of matte. But I've got this So Juicy by ColourPop, and it's like plumping, and you guys know I love plumping. So let's just do a bit. Oh, there's so much. Yeah, that's how much I had to wipe off. Okay, they're definitely like burning, but beauty is pain, guys. Am I right? Am I right, ladies? Okay, and I think that's the makeup look done. It's very like simple. I mean, it's basically just like accentuating my natural beauty. Okay, so I'm gonna like try doing something to my hair. Maybe I'll like curl it or something. I can change my clothes, put all my clothes on, and I'll see you guys after I'm done. Okay guys, I've now changed into my Eid outfit. I've got this lamp like right in front of me and I'm literally sweating. It is so hot, and this is like long sleeves. But I straightened my hair for you guys, okay? I would like, okay, it doesn't even look straightened, but like you can tell it's like less ugly. Okay guys, that's pretty much this video. It was a weird get ready with me with a teeny tiny rant. That's probably 5 seconds long. But I'm honestly not in the mood for this. See, even my clothes are black, okay? Because I'm not in the mood for this. If I'm in the mood, it'll be yellow. Yellow's a happy color. But since I'm not in the mood, it's black. Just like the sky outside. Like I said, I'm psychic. Me and the sky, we're like an item, we're together. Okay, that isn't how I wanted it to come up, like whatever. Anyway, yeah, so I'm honestly not in the mood, literally. Call me a freaking buckra and kill me now.